Hey guys, welcome back as we're going through our supplies from our heist box. Next thing we're gonna make is our detective badge. So you're gonna look super official while you're solving this crime. So we're gonna pull out the detective badge part, the paper piece, from our day one envelope. So we're gonna use our scissors and just cut along the black lines on the outline. And we're gonna use a crayons or colored pencil to draw a photo of you. Or if you get super duper into it, you can use a small photo of you and attach it here with glue, tape. All right, so my detective badge is all nice and cut out. So we're gonna have a couple spots on here to fill out. So we have our photo and then detective assistant. So that's you, that's your name. So write your name in. So I'm gonna write out Ms. Kelly. The date of instatement. So that's today's date, is 7/20, so it's July 20th. And authorized by Horizon. So you guys are official detective assistants of Horizon Church. Okay, so then I'm going to use my colored pencil since I don't have a photograph of myself. Okay, so then there's all these cool shapes. So you can use your colored pencils to color it in a little bit more. Alright, so I'm all done with my detective badge. You can color the back side if you want to too. So here's my detective badge. I'm just going to put it in the sleeve. So I'm going to put my picture side first and then seal it up. Then I'm going to take my lanyard. So you just push down here at the metal part and just loop it through. Alright guys, so I have my super cool detective badge to wear all week while I'm solving these crimes.